Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, April 6th, and this is my pre-market analysis for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the euro definitely did drift down quite a ways. I mean, it looks a little bit too big to the downside to be a wave four. I think we are likely going to get another push up, but I think at this point the next push up is probably more likely going to be a correction to this move down. Based on the higher time frames and based on looking at all Forex US dollar pairs, I think there's a good chance that we did end a five-wave pattern. To me, this really looks like a wave one, and then this looks like an ABC correction, and then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think this is a 1, this is a 2, this is 5 waves of 3. That means that we're probably going to end up being in a bigger correction for a wave 4, and then I think we're going to go up one more time, probably to take out these highs for a wave 5. And I actually think this is just a wave 1 on the monthly time frame, so 5 waves of wave 1. So if we are really in a wave 4, then I would definitely expect to see a much bigger pullback. That means that basically anything we see to the upside probably will not go up and make new highs. I mean, it definitely could because the trend has been so strong, but more than likely, anything we see up is going to be a correction to the move down. So more than likely, it's going to end up pushing down, probably something like this for some sort of an ABC of wave 4. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.